Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have my next Birchbox unboxing to share with you guys. I only subscribed for 3 months, so we'll see how this one turned out. I wasn't like that impressed with the first one, but the Dr. Lip Balm, I think that's what it's called, the sweet potato one, I love that stuff. I'm totally gonna buy it. That stuff is great. Still fighting with this box. It has perforated edges. You'd think that I would be able to open it easily, but no! Ah, there you go, finally. Alright, so here is the next box. This one's cute. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it matches my nails. Look at that. Look at it was meant to be. So let's open this baby up. Ooh. Alright. Ooh, okay. This one looks better than last month's already. Not gonna take it. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. That's so confusing. Okay, so this is the first thing that caught my eye because it says floss huge, so I was like, oh, okay. It's going to be an interesting type of floss. No, it says my new favorite lip gloss. So it's a lip gloss called Floss. That is not confusing at all. It's from a brand called Yule. Ooh, oh, this looks cute. This looks pretty. Ooh, I wish I didn't put gloss on. Wow. I wish I didn't put gloss on already. Let's just put it on the back of the hand. Yeah, it's just clear. There's like a slight little hint of pink. It's a little bit more of a sticky gloss, and I don't like sticky glosses. That's the one reason why I did not like gloss for so long, is because it always turns out to be stickier than I like. I don't like the sticky feeling. It just looks like, ugh. Here is something from Wander Beauty. I've never used this brand before. Oh, it's a cream product. So it's like a so it's like a lipstick slash cream blush. It looks really pretty. This is such a nice color, and it feels so soft. Okay, like I really shouldn't put this on my face right now, but like I'm really curious. I use cream blushes on days where I'm doing like no makeups. Oh yeah, that is highly pigmented, and I need to blend this out quite a bit, but it's looking really good. Oh my gosh, I love that. Really cute. Now I have to do it to the other side or else it's gonna bother me for the rest of the day. It says Clean Beauty Pick and exclusive to Birchbox, so you like actually have to buy this from Birchbox. Next item that we have here is Radiant Skin Moisturizer from the brand Arrow. Never heard of this brand. I'm learning a lot of things because learning of a lot of, you know what I mean. There's a lot of products that I did not know existed. So let's see here. Ooh, I pushed a little bit too much of that out, but here's what the moisturizer looks like. Like nobody's seen a moisturizer before. That, ooh, okay. So I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it has this opalescent sheen to it. It's really beautiful. Actually, when you blend it out, it starts to look like a highlighter, and then once you blend it out completely, then it's gone, and it's nice and soft. This is good stuff. And the scent is really light. I don't like really scented moisturizers. I feel, especially for my face, like body lotion, yeah, I like that to be scented so I can smell real nice. But if I'm gonna put it on my face, I don't want something that like has too strong of a smell. Oh, this was a bonus product, so we still have 3 more to go. R and CL, is it R and Co? Is that how you say it? I don't know. High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. I assume this is for hair. Yes. Work through towel dried hair and air dry or blow dry. Doubles as a leave-in conditioner. That's nice, and since my hair is the length it is right now, this will probably be enough to cover it. My hair texture is just like all over the place. I have like a section that has like kind of pretty curls and a section that's like almost pinned straight, and then waves, and then frizz. Like my hair has multiple personalities, and it's very frustrating. I never know what's going to happen. Anyway, oh, I don't know why I put this on my hand. It's not a lotion. I'm a genius. It smells nice. Rub a little bit of that to the ends. I know it's supposed to be on damp hair, okay? I just don't want it to completely go to waste. Alright, the next item is from Ipkin. I've always heard of this brand. I've never tried it, so I'm really excited about it. It is a Korean brand, right? Yeah, this is a BB cream, and it has an SPF of 45. This lightweight BB cream is packed with hydrating ingredients like vitamin E and collagen, plus it has SPF 45 built in. Apply for all over coverage and radiant complexion. I love BB creams. I love Korean beauty products and skincare in general. It's my favorite stuff ever. I find that my skin reacts really well to Korean skincare. It's the best, honestly. I think so. Anyway, let's put a little put a little dab of this onto my hand here and see what this BB cream looks like. I have it in the shade Light. Did I say I was light? I don't remember that, but there's a little dot of that. If I were to continue this, I definitely have to update my color preferences, but it's kind of a match, right? Yeah. Okay. I definitely thought for a Korean product that would be at least in the medium skin tone shade. Really excited to use this. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel oily or anything. I definitely think it's going to have like a mattifying effect too, so that's really cool. And the last item here is from Wilma Schumann. Once again, something I've never heard of. It's a pair of Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. They are infused with collagen to hydrate, depuff, and plump your delicate under eye area. And that is something I am definitely looking forward to because I'm getting lines under there and I don't like it. Okay, I don't like it one bit. Like, you guys can kind of see that dip, that little dip under there, that right there. Anyway, I do hear about a lot of people getting under eye fillers, and I could justify getting it, but like I could also like not justify the price that it would cost. And you know, with life being the way it is, like, do I need to put fillers under my eyes? No, I'd like to. I would also want to get my lips done. Just, you know, just plump it up a little bit. I don't want to like have Kylie Jenner lips. I just want them to be a little bit bigger. You know what I mean? My lower lip is okay, but my upper lip, I feel like it could use a little bit of help. Anyway, I'm really excited to use this, and that is everything from this box. Everything's gone. I'm really a lot more impressed with this box. Last month's box, I was really pissed off about it. I got a shampoo and the shampoo exploded all over the box, so everything was covered in the shampoo and it was just very frustrating. I did not like it, but I'm really excited for this guy right here, the little lip and cheek stain. It's not a stain, but you know. This seems really interesting. I'm always here for a good hair mask. I like gloss. I love BB cream. I'm worried about my under eyes. This box works for me. I'm really happy with this box. This one went well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's any of these products that you've tried before, or if you want to know more about it. And that's everything. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon and follow all the social media thingies, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.